na kunyara gutika abantu ne chingoma asomoje goyo tukanya como gecho mo women rep kolene ni ganyarte gwesokera kunyara gukwanire ngane yo para au me aguse babiri bakunyara gwesokera kunyara kwene ne birengero byabo igoro ya siasa ichimbe cyaberi kunyara kwene kigwa anono imeyoro gongoro aguse yo gwangoiga nero yuko mumsie obogusero Vincent Abuga nero nyarto gwesokera brit kuregero na kunyara gukwanira siasa chimbe imeaguse skera nyarto gosaba abantu au gusabara au kunyara kumusika omo women rep county ya Kisii musubati Donya Doris Abori.
Asante sana nche no mheshimiwa Vincent Abuga ndo MC we ward ya Bugusere yutoka Kitutu Chache South litukolia lero egento ngeregia penalty yesterday South Mugirango getango geti. I want to say intuna abarai balitokora abagichikura negane irito ena na maskana ourselves. Egento ngeregia penalty now that among na Donya Toto Yoromo women rep Kisii County. In fact, yagende South Mugirango konya abantu bali bamenyete with disability. Only realizing baada yo ikororo abantu mbagende to baga disruptive program yo mungina eyere abantu ba disability wheelchair. It was very unfortunate injuno mheshimiwa Bugusero ekerenkuligireria abantu ba disability abantu bakwegera gotema gutama paka abantu batabugatia maguru. Tagete go sabanga ntuna basaje bali to akire chikura kurwase county ya Kisii toteme go skabangina because ngonye ndiriyo mongina tarengo I want to believe nganonye nayo musaje ganga tori go exist umukungu nero go imukyo obolito for 9 months omenya naye after 9 months so make sure ngoko bonkiri for almost 2 years yogo igatotu aramaskania manene mo especially sabanga Ndagete go tanga is the only woman to wate rank yerene na ko Kisii County ngito tatu go twara maskan nane ngonye go wate interest maybe nekero kyo women there is always the right time 2027 is coming igonta yete go sabanga abantu baitu wherever mongi na Donya ara go kore function ya yo go konya abantu ba disability wherever mongi na Donya ara go konya abantu bali batari kwenya tutwara maskani naende toena ne chinga kichingororo chinga kichechi campaign ngojechira igonta getendigira waso gotebanga tusabira nama ya nande twanja ne twins na bantu ba Kisii County erinde gotokonya gokiga you never know maybe a position inkoboro mambi you will also decide wa maskani una ya mongina ganiri right now.
Wah, siasa ime yorogongo rwa gusi tumetinga ngire kinda nyare gukwaneregera abantu banyare kwego mwanto ganetigo keye siasa kurende good morning imambia rero bali bose baringe gutubwate sechinse mochi TV tumingia pale online karibuni sana live Facebook already tushaingia pale kutoka buna Kisii TV tubwate Instagram TikTok amona X account buna Kisii TV website it of course www.kisitv.co.ke amona YouTube live hasta kutoka buna Kisii TV nyara guswaga ali post ya ujumbe pale tunyara gusanga naye ase obwamo imambi ya rero kora inga siasa mbene nyara kweremya gusitindi tuko na mange kore kera ayegani gatia turach kunyara gukwanira asobo imekegima ge kunyara kuraga chinsa isato isinsa ibere chamambia kore ndasiboni gani gotogendera kurigereria bari banyara guswa asomorobire this morning kunyara kubwati morobirio gwenyoni of course naona ujumbe mingi zinaendelea kumiminika pale Peter Maria kontabinga watching live korwa chinsa mochiria chia suguta nyamache nwari meo morobirio asante sana so kunyara kuyancho morobire gwenyoni na kunyara kuyubwatia botambe kya chinga kya kurukunga honorable Julius Musomba abapeba kuna makara matutu settlement scheme Noare akogwate morobirio gwenyoni this beautiful morning Nyamira County team B na yo kongrasa abantu ba Nyamira County abantu babasi abantu babora bugai bobasi ere Kisii County abantu babora good morning mumeamka vipi mumeamka fresh au ndo cool kids wangu abantu ngani kuri Nyamirari abantu ba umuntu otaite ngatate pressure ase kenyorokia ogende tenenaiga endo gorobole machie ka 50 umenya kwagache nyumba gatikatiyo bole mobo okorigere muinari negeti okorigere rogorari negeti nobody is going to make noise to you yes alafu nindo chege gasini na tutaote ba good morning kwenye makoro tunya shoes hata mmoja tunapenda kuita shoes okwaza kombekera ntarari chaka. Thank you so much asokunyara gosoa asomoro birisimi na tuti nkwabiri abantu bechinseme chenya shoes abantu ba nyamakoro to matururiati tura nemaega gaiganga yasa yakoroku ye mochenwa nyamakoro to matururiati kia mwalimu nyangori matanke nyamware ligo manera abo keroka mwine yego chagocha abantu bagesima abantu bamochenwa abantu bari kwerende matale gali to abantu bam akiakoro kwa kinkale kwebelie teliga elia bore ogende mutamaywa uirane keroka si wamepatana tena bado yes bonsi na babekira somoro video this morning Harrison Obai agotabanga pastor Harrison Obai from Juja Amani Center niko tuned ndani ya Kise Television mpaka mwisho mnichezee wimbo wa Weka Imani by Harrison Obai that I will do it on Friday definitely kero kuchukunyara kobanga artistic Friday. Jera Turbo ashengi hapa anasema Queen's Day from Manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home Kisi County Kanyingo Mwakiage Village na my mom Mariana Ongeri na my sisters Evelyn and Rebecca and my sister-in-laws Gladys, Emily na Elmelda na my daughter Masidga abatabanga nabasubati bonse including John Kwamboka na Lydia na Diana Ndemo na Ruth Nyabuto watu aleriti koligi yembu surungi yenu nimekuona pale unaniambia kolibonchari bumwancha uko ndani asante sana pole sana watu wa online tumechelewa kidogo kolende sisi tulianza mapema pale online na bado network ilikuwa ikisumbua kidogo kolende abantu ba Safaricom wamepata kushughulikia 1 2 3 n'abantaba yenu n'abantu abangaine ndidindiri wakati nsemo chema Simba bwase amatemo yabere kunyara weso okya kurasti nsemo chema Simba yogotokeme yebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba abase amateyo kunyara kurwekerero kyobokonyi yegamaega yo mwana obo oyo bwato burwere bwenkoro aberega kunyara kubacanda bagendete kurwanira ubugima bwaye batari kinyagita au bao niri amaremo bao niri kende yonskiri babwate mwana yanyare kubwena kulende yabeira komu niba goteba korengana mamu abo mwana oyiga cyagitenga namagura kunya kobimba magura kunya kumucanda bakwenda nyagitari otari kinyagitari kinga cyonsi namanyinga kugenda urusuku nendo bekerwa mao ona nigo bagosabanga ondore nakugani kuya ondore nankorongiya anyare gwesoke ebe no murayo MC obo omasimba boss Mairura ebe no mubungo obo omosike Dr. Daniel Manduku ebe no women rep Donya Doris Yabuli ebe no senator Richard Bomonyonka ebe no governor Paul Simbarat ebe no deputy governor in fact Elijah Obebo kurwa sichinze muchanya libare kana munyali bariyare ebe no governor Paul Simbarat on the points yoli nakugani kuya anyare gwesokya no ebali babiri chi foundation au somuntu oleme yagusira kini omugano yigora anyare gokuna onyare kumukonya anyare kurwali omwana we bakotebanga bororomboli yani bororomboli buna boko eni omwana ombuye omwana wako eni ono nke morometo mongino yo rocha marika kabisa kumurwa mwisa kolera gusabanga ondoli nakugani kuya akitiga nkonyera omwana
abambwa to mwana igo murwaire kuruchanwari nari achagete kurwara ngamoira abusonga agapimwa akaegwa mariogo akanywa agakora imiti enyisita pato tachigukanyeka naenda akagenda kurwara gocha kubimba amaguru twamoira ichuni omuswa mache ahandi stile nandonge yakobimba ahandi twamoirani naenda omuswa mache ahandi pato nandonge yakobimba nandi twamoirani onega chiega ikomutie nyoyo gatano mwakoyi nebwatiraneti tukakora kituka akatebwa agende ichuni akorerwa operation agakorerwa operation akarusiwa omwana amatuka ataraba tukabwata tukamoira chenero enasi akabera ororo akabe tukabera chibwiki ibere umwana oyi agasira akaira nanga agatugutu pato umwana ina bagenderete esese okobimba tukaira nanga naende korunga naende bono umwana onanda akabimba mono amagoro obosio pakebi na maiga pakemekono bono ngasinyungi ngokora konyore chibesa chiangereiri abamate bagankonya nkagaiga nande ngamoira asakuru kwinya gitari ekorukuru fani ufani inero ya mupimete igasoki obwere oborwaire obwe batete oborwaire obu nobwe enkoro bakabwata bakandikera rirube nkaenda mpaka asakuru kwa busungu kochimoto x-ray yeki asogeti yarware to oborwaire bwe enkoro stiri naende tukaira na naende rufani yegantebia naende nching'ira negisire gia kabere umutienyo oyo iga chitarikinye igo bono no ndigereti gocha kogenda timbugati chibesa chiang'ereire timbugati kende akiondo orankonye nebo omugavana nebo omwesimiwa manduku gaki oyo obwata akoreki ankonye muruse risiko
omwana oyo ondwareire amatuka amange sana yore ngene nabwate natumekire ora natigaire bosabi koru omwaka ogachagete ondwareire sana naramwetiri nyatigeta ritaringe nasabira obokonyi ongonyo ndorabe nenia yo ngonya murusiri nkaiga taramwere chinyagitari chinde chiigora ake kiere ni bona bwate yonse byangereire ona nabende iga unandeiga
asa abasamari bari babwata omoyo bw'ogwanja enamba nere eyo 0711 633 178.
Pole sana guchase omwongino wega tokorenginga onde nanyare kwesoki koikachinse metu chiabo nyakonni anyare gokonya eamate ejeiga banyare gokonya omwana obugentonkeiriye kuruma bunekero omwana waigwete bobe gentonkeiriye kuruma ochandekero omwana kiborwaire nabaro bunegente kebe kikwabo kirore buya buna botambe nchengo tebakira nyasaye ngambiye mono gekera riri kwaboka kimambi obwato burwaire abantu mbanonko nchengo kwandira abantu babere there is the infected and the affected naro ri orwarete naende mbaro bali bakomorenda my friend, it is not an easy process. Oyo orwarete nabwate birukunyo nkoro mware ngwati gware ngokorare kipaka bono goikiro bugima kwauniri gwetentare nge gotimoka n'abana barava kunya okuimuki gotinyomba go kwanora gokwirinya gitari go kwa Mario go make sure kwaragire kwabekire chianga gwesokire gwekonyire nabarabutari ngere raisi abagokorese ngento yani bagoteba ngano yo itonto gweitera nakyo yani ngoteba ekiruburuire bwakire nka kwarura omonto sokire gusaba bokonye tari gento kiororo guchiasare igondore nakugani kuyana bakunyara gwesokia nyari gokonya enkeyo ndoche Kasi Mohamed awoteba good morning Kisi Jogo Wakondani, thank you so much. Korokwanga uyu anaitwa Henry Ochoki daktari awoteba korwa Itibo City akondani asubuhi ya leo. Gotebanga niko ndani tuned in hadi tamati. Dickson Kiboma na kola liregari wantomere ujumbe gotebanga tuned in korwa Kenya bao Busamaro Nyamira County wasoira Somorobere Kongoi asante sana. Alafu akorokwanga we gasimiri bwogega awoteba niko ndani korugali bobasi asante sana sokunyara gosoa ase omorobere mambia lero Eriko Soro awoteba kuruke umburi taro bwakire bya asante sana. Alafu Joshua Junior kurwa Ekenyoru Primary Nyamache, watching you live with my sweetheart Judike Munto Oirere asante sana. Salimia sweetheart wako Judy, mwambie happy WCW. Enoch Mochere osoirega igagotebanga good morning, watching live from Isibania Boda wakire bjakigimanya sayo ngancheire na ruri kolinde agoteba ko kanere staff moko na bwegasi Customs Kenya mona Customs Tanzania asubuhi njema wateba pia uweze kumsahau mamo mino bacheba kwamboka koruchinse muchirichia byombe mwanya banda twale emambia enyororo pamoja na wanafunzi wote wa Buda Hill Academy. Asubuhi njema tia bidii kwa masomo na liyo bogima burabo buja asama tukabo sio oyo koigwa oigure kerumete mbarora kwanene nene bakoigwa deria kerwa kutebanga quick recovery in Jesus name, and may the Lord open doors and for money to take your daughter to the hospital for medication. Asante sana igano about your role kwa chinsemo cha bobasi chinsemo cha nyalibali masaba bunyakoni igali masimba amategane tyobo konyo mwana obanyale kurwalirwa mambo igago ntabinga Pastor Henry Ayora koruchinsemo chiri chabo gitago ntabisikunjema kwa Daniel Bosire, William Mekenye, John Obiri, Andrew Mbaka, Joshua Ro na walimu wenzangu wote wa Gileo. Thank you so much. Ojego kwani regori yeli ugiriane tumeshughulikia. Asante sana for the check-in. Morning Thomas Nyaboga tuned in from Bobasi Kenyerere. Salamu kwa watu wa Itumbe Market wa tune in Kongoi. Thank you so much. Washaingia kwa sababu ushawaeka ndani. Mbona chumbara baganda wakati simi, I'm going to pick your phone calls. Na aba irere ira yote kunyara kwa mukichi simi cheno emambi ya lero. Asante sana. Asimonsi bali baganda kubwate morobirio bwenyoni. Of course nyora ntubwate nsemo ya magazeti tugenda kuligereria egati yali agenda tokorekana minisiko yoro ngorwa gusia iturachi kunyara kugendera kuyasangera na kunyara kuyasansamura asobwamo. Dennis Butange Eliza koro Kuwait City pamoja. Asante sana. So kunyara kuswa somorobere bwenyo ni mambi ya lero abantu mbaro ko Nyamira county ntakwani nakwani chikul kids gale abantu mbaro bakitutuma saba ya Eclave mbonegi sairo gwa kirebya no bantaba ngaine. Karibu sana somorobere bwenyo ni mambi ya lero nono wengine washa check in basoira somorobere abantu mbaro ba West Mogrango. West Mogrango ni ya akorokonga Steve Bogaka. Karibu sana Steve Bogaka twamara sana oblete kunyara kusukumia agenda yo kunyara gutenigwa ku University ya Nyamire takere kobeko kyabonyoru asibako ganibuna banyare konyora kwanza amasakara bene because the University ya Eldoret nja kageri guchikobeko ororo bakayigo bakatibesa around 200 million atabete mwire ni 200 yecho million tobiya sanga utokobeka Eldoret University mumekobeka kyabonyoru baracha ndi basaba chibesa yabo turusiye wachikutagoro University twachakire kwagacha and many concerns nabegete kinagali sekigambero bado nokiregali ntoko kwana mange igoro ya the same ekera timbu ati bomanyina kobwabwe bina bire kotini njega sia no kubongorora mangana ga bunege tuma keria 77 kebekiro bwoyo DP yake gakori byake kaoma getaliri na nyoni yunerega siane nkubongorora ga nyone naye sari nyoni teriko sari yes takiko ko David teriko sari getuma ando barabano tumogrango bae Josh Nyamoko. Good morning mwensi mwabokira. Asante sana pera nebakastinsemo chidia chiabo basi abose omo DCC kwichinsemo chesameta anyarte gwesoki aburi tukuregoro nakonyara gukwanira anene muno igoro ya baria banyarte gwa apply chi basari go sebali baganeti obokonyi bweti University Fund kolende bakanyara kubekwa chi band chiri bataisane getina chiro chyo na bande banyari kubekwa ase band au oroniga kwanda chinga kia bana bagendete kuyalika nigo Swatch University ya boniga inyoranga yega twasore September na lichi intake chire oroniga nyare gwesoke na kunyara gukwanira basaye bali bonsi babiri bataranyara konyora University Fund banyare kuira na boyia boyichi form korase abisiae eri banyare kwelikia bwango asikeri basa bibona banyare gwecholia buja chifomu etio chia University Fund eri kunyara gokeania obotutukanu ase chinseme chyo nabana banyare konyora bokonyi eri banyare gosirwa ase sector yechiseme apolinari zakama nero nyare gotwariganeria oroboti orwega senchira yoboikerano.
Nimeona au machis wakitembea kuangalia kwamba kuna wale ambao walikuwa wamefanya appeal na nafikiri mmemaliza hiyo kazi. Saa hizi pia poto haijafungwa. Tafadhali mtoto yeyote asikose kwenda university kwa sababu fee iko juu. Waende waangalie wale hawako kwa hii list ambayo ilikuja labda ulibaki, still you have room to appeal. Wacha wa appeal wakuje na hiyo form wapatie chief. Chief kuna maswali atauliza, ataangalia kweli hii familia wanasema ukweli ama sio ukweli. Hii ndio ile muda ambao wanaenda kufanya mitihani yao, si ndio? Tuhakikishe kwamba watoto wote wako kwa shule. Sidhani kama kuna yule anapaswa kubaki nyumbani. Kama kuna mheshimiwa kuna hili inaitwa bursary. Wale ambao wali apply nafikiri wamepata, na tuhakikishe kwamba kila mmoja amerudi shule, na hiyo ndio furaha yetu. Pombe haramu na madawa ya kulevya, bangi, tuhakikishe kwamba tuone hiyo tumefanya nini, tumemaliza. Sijui hapa kuko namna gani. Muungane na huyu chief, assistant chief, mfanye nini tuimalize, kwa sababu hii ndio inamaliza watoto wetu. Kuna jambo ambalo lilitendeka hapa, mkachoma mtu. Hata kama ni mhalifu, tafadhali naomba watu wasichukue sheria mikononi mwao. Vile familia hamjajua kwamba waacha kwanza mtu apelekwe kotini au hukumiwe. Msichukue sheria mikononi mwenu.
Oyue akogenda ase oyuno modicc bwechisemo chiria chia sameta ACC agotebanga chinga gichi skuru cheigweirwe ase tamu ya gatatu na inde mwerio na umwaka nigo bono abaibori banyarire kuborigwa kunyara kwarigania abana babo bwikiranu ase kunyara gwikirana chiskuru. In fact, this is what we were saying, ekere kunyara gochaka umurobere bwenyoni tari abana bagomete n'abarimu bagomete nagabwasanyarire gokwanirana ni muno akorokwanga Moses Murioki neganyare gokwanire gori yabaria bataranyara konyora chiform chiria gose bari ba apply te konyara konyora university fund nyora rero babwate ekorokunga university funding model tigana na help awa sasa wanaitwa university funding model babwate band 1 paka band 5 asoko ba place it depends the amount of scholarship okonyora, the amount of upkeep na support kurwa serikali wonombaro banyarite kubikwa chiband batanche chiband batari ko baroti ko senchi bakonye kwanyoro mwana orangeri go sem medicine kwa menyero kubeko go sem band 1 yo wakanirwe school fees go sem 20% kweguna 30,000 bwana bolinga itikabono ngakitiko nkonya nsome medicine nkore wona na keki babaire bakonyara gwesoke na kunyara gusabubuna onye twisanegetina band ilikuwa nyarite kubekwa nyara kwira na baka asset magacho yetio bisi chiaba chibu abasabu chifu aba DCC buno yega bono Moses Murioki osameta onyare ko ye form apply boya otome mapema kenda bumbuya egere ba utkunyara gukora round check ya kabere ebenga ya nae kwa nyarire ko ba egati ya baria bakunyara ko ba placed on the right place aso kunyara konyora bene obokonyo bigabo university fund Merongo etano na inyena chabu tukiriguri yechinsa 12 chamambia ngake ngambia mono gochasu bonsi bali bagenda te kubwati umurobire bwenyo nindi no mwengani mekucheck akonte bikoruki Syrian Dam no representer okobwatia umurobire bwenyo ni emambi ya lero it is a WCW ningo kunyara gochengera ritko lya lero ngokobeka somoroberio na gotebye benga baba ebe mama ebe muswatyo mino ebe muno morugio ebe no mwano ubekanga semoroberio. Let us celebrate these women. Yani ndite weta Nigeria kirubondete yo kunyara gostengera no Joan Kwamboka really now this morning inumoro chinga Joan Kwamboka resa na steke na motebanga na isaini na motevinga WCW rendi anyway tali mangana tali ngana sawa na bongo echengera nchebe kapi WCW Joan Kwamboka this morning. Thank you so much mwensi bali bagenda te kubwate of course live Facebook na otorobu na Kise TV tomachi uzumbe cheno galia aso kunyara gusangana inche emambi ya lero nabo kunyara kugenda gari YouTube of course no tore live gari ya Kise TV osogende page ya DMK Media Limited na otogotoka gari buna umurobere bwenyo ni pale YouTube live nabo kunyara ko share by the way egera abanda bange na baro banyare gusoa so kunyara kubwati murobere gwenyoni nabo okunyara ko nabo kunyara ko share nabo kunyara ko subscribe ngari Facebook nabo kunyara ko like gusonyare go to follow aso kunyara gusangana into this beautiful morning. Of course na mangi sana turachi kunyara go kwanera ase chinsemo chichisemi ego tosuka ekere birondo sila birondo bigendete kuminyoka ke gima 0768-719-470 nere namba yesemi ye studio yembegete kobokoga iga ningendete koligere chizimbe chendo chantu bako sakaga ke gima buna iga joana enentingana tuaralit koligia asante sana nate bajeria nere bie konginyorete but ni sawa tunoena enentingana madamu na ningwanchite ke gima okorandu sigaiga kwangira baka chinsemo chama na Bahrain Kingdom kwamenya kongira ne baka mwakiage gari kanyimbo kanyimbo ali mwakiage village twachikura kwa ni Mariana Ongeri na Samuel Ongeri na bana bao Masidga na Macdota nochoka na babwatire my friend no mwanti o Bernard na bana bamino kwa beka somorobero babo Evelyn Vonsi iga no muntu mungaye nigenda ko bashabiki namba moja bwenyoni we adore you thank you tukurenda sensemo yendige studio nturere Ruth Nyabuti K mwambia kuje hapa tunamuleta hapa by fire by force babo yobesho beshaya mkeni babo tela mugusu nduso wake up karibu sana somoro vile bwenyoni this morning tukurenda sensemo yendige studio tunyara komera mate kidogo tokuire na tomnyoka sensemo ya magazeti because I know magari tukomanyanga ninki bene kigenda tokoroka na gusokorekana asa chinsemo chia magazeti this morning alafu tokuire na tokenda koligereria gatiali agenda tokorekana nimono ase ensemo yetisemi what is not happening. John Komboka alitaaliane director mtunga Kenya nere tukobwaterana nere kura sense muyiri studio tosuka ngoire nande asegeka getali getambe
Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi wate tarike uchakira chitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo
Nyatiji ndigereri ndikauchaka kutwara ubwene mbongo bwana okwengera nomadoni nango boli tako choncho chenchi change chobegete Wai sogete muno muntu iwita yakawanji bono ngane chikwayo kuchibonika
nemere mende ne rotigare utabia sitakora ara no mo sina gutira matubia site bakwari ngikurusi bachandiro mu muro bande ko ore irusire
Inchomete tinta bikori bina binta boni garo chinechi ngori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers na rio mete na rio ngori gigo na basani abana bakondi nchiko be pixel alafu ona ga igo konte binga tine saibo kora town umete nchobo sioro rio bona bunta tageti tiando rikisabirio mtona aro ranya kutoretio bo nonsense
okoenda gari natanyora abasani batugorekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro gusetwanyorire already ase tore togotene akortori gosa konyomnaye
oye mangana yako
ntebi yange sababu enene nkina chayiru lakini tato mintoni
soka ngochiga oire ranti ya ochimena ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha konyi amanje ngedo Ojia
Saliri
Buyande
Umpotelewa
Nakigwa chenchiriga
Zazi ndio zinagwa chenchiri wakini
nche ngoro abana gusena sana
No, kirabo kungoyo ngomangena ketanyo meirore seino. Tatsomi no muntu bwate chibesara kia senchio yoko extravagant. n'abakungu bakamukura agatika umukungu mona gachikonyoma nyoko kwakuboneka yowafata n'umunsore onanansereva
kororege ntonkera kari kulike ono okumnyoka bono wendorore
ago ngoba mwete ki muri boy boyka mwete koba kampaka koba itanata imma oyo bono ko ochi oyo ko oyo bono
muwa kowe ngajibesa
kuwa kande yak aiganero nawa tebi
ah no me tra ngoro
Chinsa chindogotema kora mosoro rarengerera omanye mwango ritangani iga ikoro kunga mwagesare
bwati omugano oyo iga eyemo ase yemo Mechi Maburo.
Ota Studios. Eye Nkisi TV Amandegere Yomugusi.
From the heart of Africa, where dreams are born and passion is boundless, a new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Danny Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Eye Nkisi TV Amandegere Yomugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwanchetekegima ase amagoriense mono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception asokwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwansi oraganye bobate jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyokwegwa ase amagoriense mono. Boigomba bwate eba gose ensemo yo kwegokeria asogotegerera matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bale omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigomba bwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au na bono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo korwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo korwa chiribu nye na 500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality voigo kogweria rigori ryabo korwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia voigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel eyoboigo ebwate e hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori yendagira amone binyugwa arensemono buigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere echokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yoka echo chagure korwa eribweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angena Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway. Nyokabonyore obokoreri obiyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Nkisi TV Amandegere Yomugusi.
Wilex Wholesalers ne duka eneo konya ebintu byeduka asamogoriense mono imyomucho Kisi. Nige duke yega egotoka ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway ase junction ya Nyangongo. Eduke yega nige konya ebinte binge egatiabo amasiechi chabati yechi brand au esukari
echumbi omochere chisabuni chechi aina ao amabuta yo koroseri endagera amabuta yo kweyaka chitishu amachokonyu yechichuba nebintu binde ebinge byo gutumeka nyumba.
Among no I love you. No the Wirex Worzerazi. Ajabike bintu biri byonsi ndigite list. Inchuba ka Wirex Worzerazi e bintu ntumbete siko. Mangu no abana turi kuchikurara. As long as no turi Wirex Worzerazi. Amaguri arinzi, mangu no ni gasi asuri. Pass. Bono ngakire sabu ore. Wirex Worzerazi ngakire sabu immediately. Buya kabisa by the way.
Eduke yigani ge okonerie bintu byonsi pi ase amaguri ensemono nabo igo nigebwate abakuri emeremo babwate umukia bwoko konya asobwango kigima.
By the way, amachero yo gabono kugora bunore gabwansirimo.
Bunore bwansiga limwe.
Ayabe karo machere.
Ntobwate obosibondo bwokorwa nobore gaiga mbako bobwechi chabati ringosimera abana bakonyakori. Nabo igese eduke yaito. Toko ukora bwangu turochibuna tokorere bwangu.
By the way na ndendo chegari mburambika sine kubekwe gari.
Sine kubekwe gari. Eduka ya Wilex Wholesalers Erenyankong Conjunction ese pare nene ya Kisi Nyamira. Kiwa ikire na woko nyore duka ite nene likire Wilex Wholesalers isko gago. Karibu, it's a home away from home.
It's a home away from home. Wilex Wholesalers, it is a home away from home. I love you.
Asamange bakiresimi wetrase number 0792503252.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Furahia Star Times. Enjoy our amazing channels with the best dramas and telenovelas daily. Discover your love language.
Will you marry me?
Words of affirmation.
Sure, I like you. Because you're unlike everyone. You are my baby.
Quality time.
Life isn't worth living without you.
Receiving gifts.
Thank you.
Acts of service. And physical touch to build a love that lasts. Furahia Star Times. Buy the DTH decoder for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Smart Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Mambi engija nainde andonsia soro mwancho murigererio Kisi TV. Good morning. Thank you so much. Asa kunyara goswa somorobere bonyone mambi yalera so kunyara gosanga nainche. Of course twasoira sensemo ya kabere yuerensemo ya magazeti. Nimbwate gazeti ya Taifa Leo, nimbwate gazeti ya The Daily Nation, nimbwate ne gazeti ya The Star this morning. Kingende tekoligia gazeti ya The Standard. Nyare gosanga asobwamo this beautiful morning na kikwabo kiro mwancho murigererio Kisi TV. Karibu sana soko nyara gosanga na inche John Kwamboka na liretaliane director Mtunga Kenya nere tukubwatena na nere kurwa sensemo indi studio soko nyara kwene kibuna chibicha na mariogia berega kunyara kuwekera asenchira yobwekera no live Facebook na otogotoka buna Kisi TV tobate Instagram TikTok amuna X account buna Kisi TV na website yetu ni gere www.kisitv.co.ke amona YouTube astogotoka buna Kisi TV. Thank you so much astokunyara kuboka emambia lero na kunyara gosoa ase omo Roberio Bwenyoni. Yes ndo chekere binyabonyi agotebanga tuned in from Saudi. Agotebanga good morning. Thank you so much. Prince Nyachoti Mokaya oteba good morning tuned in kama kanwa bia manga binga WCW echiere at John Kwamboka asante sana. Ruth Empress Eddie Kekemunto, Robin Stacy, Princess Jessie, Abigail Kemunto. Tumenikumbuka sindio apart from Jeria Kerbo, alafu good morning from Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia Jeddah tuned in watching Enyoni live ya Kisii Television pamoja. Thank you so much. Tabnya kibaka ase ensemo ya magazeti etunyarugusuka asobwamo, of course nabokunyara gotonyora ase emitandao au thank you igani gazeti ya The Daily Nation nero ndaganinga tunyari guchaka nero this morning muda muroche ne ya Jumatano chitariki kibekire ne merongo ebere na isana isetomo kenyi no yo gatana gatatu mwaka no bwechiri bubere na merongo ebere na ne Daily Nation. Big wigs EACC chair Kir leads regional president in backing Odinga. Of course, ninchi kunyara kubekera chinkwa na chair Salva Kiir oyoro muraibense ya South Sudan na chair nyara bategera chinkwa na chair kera nyara tugucha kibene. The EAC chair Kiir leads regional presidents in backing Odinga. Kitu kunyara kukwanira youth nyara bategera chinkwa na chair bikuraga chinsebere kulenda siboniga tujari kurigireria asama gazeti. Raila show of power nerebekirega alibata banga 3 sitting presidents of other East African community states who attended official unveiling of Odinga's candidacy. Batato Samia Suluhu Tanzania, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni o Uganda, amona Salva Kiir, banga President William Ruto with East African heads of state and other dignitaries at State House Nairobi yesterday, where they officially unveiled Raila Odinga as Kenya's candidate for the chairperson of the African Union Commission. President Ruto said that Kenya unreservedly endorses Odinga's candidature and commits to supporting his vision and his leadership. Chinuchinkwa na chair Raila Amolo Odinga nsegaiga nango scroll diplomacy. The Ruto administration yesterday asserted its influence by rallying the support of the East African community as it unveiled Raila Odinga's candidacy for chairperson of the African Union Commission. Epeji ya kane ne peji ya gatano yakurukunga Salva Kiir yomsalia Mudavadi Raila Amolo Odinga. Pale nyuma yake namuona nani huyu ni moroche Raila Amolo, ni moroche William Ruto, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, ni moroche na Samia Suluhu, Obasanjo wale maegaria abegane gatia ulibanya tukwikira na ase omoyega oyoli kuria rero ase gazeti yiga dige gazeti ya The Daily Nation ase peji ya kane ne peji ya gatano unyari konyora orobote rwasenchera yoboekerano hapa chini. After brief ceasefire, Ruto allies take on Gachagua epeji ya 10 na Kabere no bakwanira igoro ya siasa chia Mount Kenya no gwatanekana no kungusana na kwa biro kunyara korokana egati ya babwatani bumurabensi yakini muske William Ruto muna babwatani bomo konyo ye deputy Rigathi Gachagua. Of course babere bakunyara gutugutirana chinkwana au left right and center dos kunyara korigereria egati ye chinkwana chiabo ase egazeti ejega kogosoa ase peji ya 10 na Kabere. Alafu DCI fails teachers in 15 billion fraud case. Outebanga tutors lost 15 billion in fraudulent schemes. But savings and credit society bosses blamed for the looting are free. Because approved by the DCI, Directorate of Criminal Investigation, has told for 3 years as a peji ya gatato no ora chikonyara konyora oroboto riga senchira yobo kirano ligia gazeti ya The Daily Nation. Kingos kamonogo iga storm over NYS firearms order. Bautawanga experts say unemployed youth could use firearms training to engage in crime. Ase peje komi bakoboringa basaiba NYS muhabairire training mbijatali mangana mwatebire nko barigeri more kibunduki mobaye mora baga asingi mudete batumye bunduki egokorera nabera abenga egati yabo navaratumye kibunduki kigasobo salia epeje komi no babegete oroboti orwo musaye naro bekirege bicha hapa juu wanasema Families agony over missing kin as police defy courts. This guy is missing. Akorokunga Aslam Longton. Bagotebanga naborete asepeji ya gatato ya matea embirerera sibagendera tukoligio musayo yoiga Aslam Longton hapa anaendelea kutafutwa sepeji ya gatato no babegete oroboti oru. Alafu hapa promise of pay rise as strike halted. The Employment and Labor Relations Court has suspended the strike by the Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers, KUPPET, pending the hearing of a petition filed by the TSC, Teacher Service Commission. A state promises tutors pay rise by Friday. Page Yomweli Ogari, no wakwandra mangana yechiseme. Of course, namroche Julius Ogamba, nesogeti abulit kuregoro, oyoro mwaziri gwechiseme. Akanyara goteba buna abarimu, bachikunyara komentume sahara. Wikarit kule Juma wikega. In fact, misara yabo ya July and August yote ku account tap. Au tabanga yigama ya treasury kunyara kubwato ka 13.5 billion. Kuchia asensemo yechisemi na TSC na runga cheta seke ngambere kanyara kubeke kina askeria banyarite ko basaba buna bara nyara gutenenia omo girobo buna KUPPET kurende bado kunyara kurigeria enseme yo abue ase egati yabande banyarego soki na goteba mugomo ndo kitu moja hatuachi tunawacha mugomo tukienda wapi so egati yabara yabaiga wengine wako bado kwenye mgomo. That is the conversation togo kunyara gutwara this morning. Ase peji Yomweli Ogari ye gazeti iga no ora kunyara konyora go kunyara kuiriga ye gazeti iga no kunyara gosoma among ekati yechu zumbe chigendrete kwena no birengere byaba na inchi goro ye gazeti whatever irese gazeti iga Oscar Karani, agotebanga Mudavadi is in high ranks compared to Rigathi. You can see Musalia Mudavadi ndo huyu hapa. But Rigiji atumuoni mahali. Yes, wanasema sasa Mudavadi yeye anajulikana sana kuliko akorokwanga Rigiji. Following from Mesopotamia, we are happy for Baba. Yegani rikolega banya komera Nagari State House when he was launched officially pale. Alafu nindo chegeiga akorokwanga now akorokungitonga wa Mudhoni now hapa mmesema Ruto tawe. Gachagua naye ranking yake iko chini wa Musalia opinions za watu. Alafu wewe okay, total man. So we have another total man after the what? May so rest in peace. Wakotanga akoro total man. Wewe mzee ukilose again, usifikirie maandamano huko si Kenya, utapigwa risasi. Kwani mnajua baba na maandamano hivyo sana. You people need to be fair a little bit. Sawa, twarolire ebirengere by'ino Ogaria ase gazeti yiga ya The Daily Nation. Alafu nara wotebanga all the best Islamic State signora by the way the AUC chair wanatafuta mtu nne bubande na Islamu so they are saying all the best Islamic but abega already bachiramo aso kunyara gosira ebida yaye Raila Molo Odinga no yao tebanga kila laheri baba koroku Kendraizi Wasike. Thank you so much. Alafu okay no jumbe zenu hapa bange bakatebanga congratulations Raila Molo Odinga aso kunyara koba endorsed officially. Oyoga kotebanga Raymond akotebanga namuombea Okay. Namuombea anguke since 2002 and this time round naomba tu anguke for betraying the majority being oppressed by the government. Na yamepeana opinion yake pale ase gazeti yiga ya The Daily Nation. Of course tiga minyokebaka ase gazeti ya People Daily. Yes, tigami nyoke ase gazeti ya The People Daily. Tunyale koligera linga nagaiga ase gazeti yiga ninki bakonyara gokwanera this beautiful morning. Ndo chegaiga ngochaka kurugoro kabisa increasing cyber threats call for proper expert training. epeji yemerongebere na inye no bagokwanira oroboti oruo ase enchira yobo ikirano. And then kingo tirimbuka chini kidogo, court stops teachers strike pending case bichebe kiregaiga ne ya aba bwatani bekia magia kupet abatani bekia magia kupet. Hapa hii ni picha kutoka Nyeri branch barabu atebire bado mapambano no nyebanya artigotene ni wao bado wanaendelea na mgomo. Alafu the making of the pan-Africanist. I am made for Africa. Ebicha ne ya Raila Amolo Odinga. Bakotanga Raila's pitch. I'm ready to serve. My heart is ready. My hands are steady. And with your support, I shall get the opportunity to be of service to Africa, the cradle of mankind. I am made in East Africa for Africa. Epeji ya kane nepeji ya gatano itinichinkwa na chia Raila Amolo Odinga ekere arenge ko launch officially usenyere ekere nyarte ko launched officially utkunyara korigia a bid ya AU position nara yobekire ase gazeti iganto tkunyara gotegera chinkwa na chia ya segeka agetari egetambe and then ase ogokolera ensemo ya magazeti this beautiful morning timetinga ayenga yoko gwate gazeti yigakorwa karibu sana ensemone enyoni amagazeti this morning nabokunyara kuminyoka gari ase okunyara gosangana intonyara gontebi yesa naki o gwenga yogendrete kubwatia omurobiro yigakorwa na ebengeru byago mbirebi of course gazeti ngo tukunyara kuminyoka ne gazeti ya Taifa Leo namuona pale Rigiji pale juu. I don't know what is it this time. Msikia watu wanasema ako chini yuko chini ya Musalia Mudavadi. Now Kingo Soa ase gazeti iga Gachagua achemsha mlima tena ase gazeti iga peji ya kane na kikeire ngane mwamu Gorogari wanasema pale alikuwa amedai wakosoaji wake hawatachaguliwa uchaguzini mwaka wa 2027. Ase peji ya kane in fact alikuwa pale State House jana. Yes, no babegitega bwe bicha ya yeba uko ndigure ya siasa yae no kongusana kwa bere okunyara korokana egati yae na babwatani au anemono inse yeri abuli ya UDM. Maniu yatumia bilioni 7.2 watabanga kusajili kiungo. Imenasa kiungo Manuel Ugarte kutoka PSG Paris Saint-Germain. Union semo ye chigosali pejemerongebere no babegete oroboti oruo asenchera yobo ikirano. Kingo sukaigoro kidogo hatimaye kinyang'anyiro cha kuwania uwenyekiti wa tume ya Afrika chanza, serikali ikizindua rasmi kampeni ya Raila hodi hodi Afrika nerebicha ebekiregali bunamorochegaiga hapa ndo waliweka signature zao mbili. Anaitwa hapa imeandikwa African Union Kenya's AUC chairmanship bid, signature pale ni ya William Ruto, pale chini His Excellency Dr. William Ruto Samoei Dr. William Samoei Ruto CGH. Nebekiregali hapo ni mkono wana salimiana kabisa. Watavanga mkuu wa zamani Raila Amolo Odinga sasa ataanza rasmi kubisha katika mataifa yote 52 ya Afrika akisaka uungwaji mkono katika azma yake ya kuchaguliwa mwenyekiti wa tume ya Umoja wa Afrika. We had 55 countries. So anaenda kutafuta mbona nchi 52 ama hizi zile nchi ambazo zimetoa mtu hata kanyaga huko. Haya hapa chini Kalonzo sasa ajiteua kinara wa Azimio. Kiongozi wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka asema amechukua usukani kurithi Raila. Ejensegaiga asepeji ya Kabere bicha ya Kalonzo Musyoka anasema pale I am now the leader from Azimio. Asepeji yona morote Musalia Mudavadi nani alimsupport kabisa Eugene Wamalwa omuraiwe kiama kia DAPK. Wapinga NYS kufunzwa bunduki. Mawakili wasema amri ya Rais Makurutu wa NYS wapewe mafunzo Hayo ni hatari. Nyoranga ritko ria Jumatatu muragwensi yakinyu Muske William Samuel Ruto na nyarto gutwara etaro yae bakase chinsemo chiria cha Gilgil abasanyarto kurigereria a parade yabasai ba NYS around 14,000 plus ekere banyarte gukora bene muragwensi agatebanga abangi baboni go baragende ase chinsemo chiria cha KDF na bandi banyare guswase chi school chobo bundi ya chechi TVET aso kunyara konyora chisemi au ikira kunyara kubakonya nambari geligwa mabaga yechigasi but when it seems sigaiga ngamba chibaye guchibundukiyo wapele ko KDF it is not agreed by everybody ase gazeti yo ngokwandira bale oroboti ruma jimbo 7 mwanamuzi wa rais USA majimbo ya Arizona, Georgia, Michigan, Nevada, North Carolina, Pennsylvania na Wisconsin kuamua ase gazeti iga no babegete oroboti orwo ke boikerano abunongo tukobekera a full stop asensemo ya magazeti of course nikonyara korigereria ebirengereryo begati ya bali abakwena nebirengereryo byabo igoro ye gazeti eyeiga ya Taifa Leo director kagenda tukushughulikira kamera yane pale hakotabanga kila laheri baba Raila Odinga utashinda Mungu akujalie ushindi unatosha kuongoza Johnson Baraza hakotabanga okay twende kazi Baba Vero wa Sikendu Kiminini Kitale Honorable John Daniel akotabanga tulipe ushuru Raila ajitegemee sasa hakuna maendeleo tutafanyiwa hadi Raila akose kiti pesa yote kwa campaign Kenyans wamekataa wanasema sasa tulipe tu tax hakuna mtu atatutetea na Kalonzo you guys don't believe in Kalonzo Musyoka because otabirenga mimi sasa ndo kinara wa Azimio na walisema Azimio iko imara alafu ni moroche okay Kenyans should learn in politics there's no permanent enmity between leaders as it is between voters congratulations to the former prime minister Raila Amolo Odinga alafu mwenye amjui Kalonzo labda ni mtoto aliye ndani ya tumbo you people don't believe Kalonzo Musyoka ile ni zoom is photo vizuri Kalonzo sasa ajiteua kinara wa Azimio kiongozi wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka asema amechukua sukani kurithi Raila yote banga mwenye amjui Kalonzo labda ni mtoto aliye tumboni Raila ni yule he is best in mobilizing the people but has poor finishing power anyway let's wait hiyo ni kuhusu the bid ya AUC unebekire igaiga and then Kalonzo utawezana na Ruto kweli ikifika wakati wa kura tusijisumbue na kwenda kupiga kura kama mpinzani ni Kalonzo si ataenda nyumbani mapema sana kabla kupanga foleni kupiga kura Akoroku Samson Zombo Jackson Ouma akubolinga Kalonzo atawezana kweli ina riboli ya ase gazeti alafu ekanika kibirengeryo bya balia bagendete kubwati omurobiro gwenyone mambi yabona bali bare ase ensemo ya amagazeti to this beautiful morning I guess for today morning gabo no ensemo ya magazeti ntaekia full stop hapo korende ntogendere kunyagusanga asobwamo tunyari kurigereria egati yari agendete gukorekana ime na isiko ya ruongo rwa usi director no tokoragaiga ase ensemo ya magazeti to nona bwate chusato emambia rero batanto gendrete gusanga ase obwamo tokorena ase gati yali agenda tokorekana ime na isiko yorongo rwa gusi ntagende baka ase eskuru ya Kebirigo Boys ekero mugirwa balimu bale inse yekembegya kupeto gendrete mwalimu monene bwe eskuru yabamura ya Kebirigo Boys niganyarite gukwana nabarike abulitkurego rabwasanyarite gosemia bayiboli kunyara kubatuma abana babo ase eskuru ayakugera omugiro noyo bwa balimu tali bwa bana ose noyo bwa borokia kole tali bwa borokigwa tigatie checho nigo anyarite kwerera enchera ebangire erikwaligania borokigwa baye ankyo erikuriya rero ase eskuru ejo ekoigorwa nechinchera aborokigwa abo barache kunyara kugendera nemero biri yabo no nyenekero aborokigwa barasomo girobo achikani chinkwana chomo principal we school ya Kebirigo Boys ekera nyari gusaba Bible kenyara kubwatuka abana banyara kwenda asechi school.
Mulitana Clement nyanga choga sare chief principal Kebirigo Boys High School abana baitu mambi bako igora tora kani Bible bare ta wana school abana ko igora bari mambi school nageko rango toko bischise chiga egere nariganie abana basoe mambi egento kero arongeri ngo mogomo bari no gendrete bakuburio bane bwabo abana bwabo bakuburio babate right yokuburio bane bwabo nande ntoko bakani ntoge netenga serikali na balimu bagambe bayigwane egara bali banyoro bane bwabo njere leo sibara igwane lakini ne ntu una balimu osenje muno principal omogomo no gendera we can't talk school kakara bana mo gwenda ku report mambi abayibuli ko bana nyo toboria ase chiguru cha classes na indi ose ogoncho linkora so ko school chitaga chiere chinkega bageta na likire in one of the classes wall ya class ya kama na likire na tayo buri agarto gutwara ogo koncholeria yoto kubatomera a message idotara batomera igomenya message idora batomera a content eri arenga ase irube litwaita abayibuli still stands eye menete abayibuli batoma bana uchi school omogomo ge ndere to bonoiga igore bwa balimu tori omogomo bwa banafunzi iga bana bumba cha school abagocha na bana bamanyete ngangi bakora bebe kintu groups basomanye borokeranie kera ndeni ngene abana baitu na bwara among the most disciplined abagocha be conducting to the prefect to the student council. I'll be there, the deputies no baratoke abantu baratoke sakinde n'abalimu nane ndogo babetele batoke lakini kinda tokoteba igorende nyonya muroji bana high school nesinge nchuntu chitagito abekirta bana report school tara 28 echikare mapya nane tu endenga Bible bache batuma abana etiagara una Bible bali bakurwara bakuru Mombasa bakuru wapi na wapi. I think already bana tickets wala jada bana babo na bana bugocha bali school gate never affected ake emirubiri never affected kera bana bana emirubiri tu abele tu ngocha ka asuna se bana baba ko igora tego cha kokora oikerana ngende ikirana ngelinga abalimu bago toko ajo facilitate hai barende togende tenga tobeka bana aba bamanyanga ngakibako bawe conduct boka banyene egera tuju ikirega ngenya ntu abegete emirubiri mubeka nubona bono ntore ataba to experts ba subjects bacho kwa na bana eye tanya reka ne kyaba balimu abo the experts bonega bara somugiro iko tego cha kunyare kana bikirane lakini ndu ine tengo mogomo no ere bwango kere serikali ya gwana na balimu egere togene ne mirubiri ito otherwise ntutu ine tenga mirubiri ito abegete na bana ne ikirane na ande abana baitu batoreti dawo. Clement nyanga choga sare chief principal Kebirigo Boys High School abana baitu mambi bako igora tora kani Bible bare ta wana school abana ko igora bari mambi school nageko rango toko bischise chiga egere nariganie abana basoe mambi egento kero arongeri ngo mogomo bari no gendrete bakuburio bane bwabo abana bwabo bakuburio babate right yokuburio bane bwabo nande ntiko bakani ntoge netenga serikali na balimu bagambe bayigwane egara bali banyoro bane bwabo njire leo sibara igwane lakini ne ntu una balimu osenje muno principal omogomo no gendera we can't talk school kakara bana mo gwenda ku report mambi abayibuli ko bana nyo toboria ase chiguru cha classes na indi ose ogoncho linkora so ko school chitaga chiere chikega bageta na likire in one of the classes the wall ya class ya kama na likire na tayo buri agarto gutwara ogo koncholeria igoto kubatomera a message idotara batomera igomenya message idora batomera content eri arenga ase irube ritwaeta abaibori still stands eye minute nga abaibori batuma abantu chi school omogomo gendrete bono iga ibori baba
sana mwantu murigereria okisete byogendete kubwate murobire hwenyo ni mambia lero hino mwalimu monene bw'eskoro yabamura ya Kebirigo Boys abwe ase anyare gusaba aboroki gw'abanyare kugenda ase chi school no niguchinga kyecho asensemo yechiskuru choboroso chichirie inse yekiombe kyanata ekyanyarte gutugutera are omogiro bwemeroberio ya kirarituko niga bono egendrete korengana no mwalimu monene bw'eskuru yoboroso ya Tonga omonuri egotuka se ward ya Nyamai ya meye bunge ya West Mugirango aserite Evans Nyatigo oyikorende obwatekeririanda abuna omwibori asasabire serikali gutwaro koigwana naborokigwa naborokia abana bairane eskuru yega nigoro yechisemi ase chiskuru choboroso echo nigo chigendrete nkorengana na Principal Tonga omonuri abotebanga bali baendrete ne chiskuru ere barabu bagendrete ekranat njatenenia omogiro botwanya gutegera chinkwana chae ekera kunyara gusaba serikali kunyara gutwaro koigwana na abalimu ogosaba tendya bega bakupet eri abalimu banyara kwirina chiskuru banyara kugendra ne chisemi buna botambe tukwa flash
Litania ni Evans Nyatigo Nyanja umwarimu munene Tonga omonuri abontaite gotebanga intwe buna high school ya itoga igatonga nkoigora tuli school rero itukuria rero na abana baita baigore banga krisimi na bondo china bateina ya high school nero igabana baito we are expecting back today by 4 p.m. na bosangi baikire igongo chabari amangana yo mogomo 1920 buna ekiombe kigite kenegia Kenya otigia dotebia na boga te toje school na ngo toibwire ne buna ekiombe chito chiko kwa na Ministry of Education na bono itwachire school na bototagite ko chaka etamu yetu ne chake gere tuje koribuya banje buno mwari na onde school gaiga ate moment abana toganyite togende kusamba bana baito bachire totagite ko chake imirimo kabisa buno mwigori na bona niwe kana bana bo especially abana bakoenda senior schools nabo gosangi mbagwato boko mwikyagera ekeremi na nirororo ekena no mwana ukumia tekene mutagito sabanga okoigwana mbuya abana baso isukuru ekyara matukaya namake egere tubwatira nabana betu basome puno mwibori na inde nabo date boko ganikwa nenkoringa amangana yanga kile serikali yetu ya mone ekyagera korwa chinkwana chigokwana from the Minister of Education nabondo bachaba batebanga demands chiaru wetu chigendete kuruegwa chitichitiga chinsini ni chiade kutoka na chiaikiranire na beko buyegera twaro morembe na nabo tugetensi ite twaro morembe egera abana baito basoma sinjire ringi egera buna ndi buno mwibuli abonko igwa kera abana bali sukuru bagosoma imbuya na ndi buno mwarimu nabonko igwera abana bali sukuru buya egera bali sukuru bagosoma mogorogoro tayana bonkorara nambuya egera abana banyose mkirichi chingikeranu egera bache gotokona gochimutwa buno mwarimu Principal Tonga abana baito barenchera gocha nabongo taimwego lyondo okagete na mwana skuru teyo nabona kwa ya skuru taigwire na watole skuru tigabaje tuchake program ikara matuka yara make egeredi kwa grade 6 bakora matemwa bakipse yabuya na abandi babe prepared bakorisira pasi kagima babe revision yakoro bagota kwa grade 9 bagenda abana bali epo kotako problems and issues ya sinjiriringia kuna bwana ale watebya bayibuli onde bonsi na inde serikali ya atomire event capitation cyabana gochaiga ikonto bwa trison mwana atajire school esinga kiti kuna bwana ale ko basaba bonsi asibali bali lisi abana bayici egere bage bani mutubwadira namo egere mirimo egenderere
Alright, yo nensemo yechisemi of course ningendete kuyarigania so kunyarako koretera egati ya chinkwana chia balimu abo bagendete no mugirobo bali aba kupet kuchikunyara korigereria totegera chinkwana chia Julius Ogamba ekeranyarete koireire yo kuchikunyara gotoma chibesa gochia ase chiskuru tumete gosemba chikunyara gotegerera na butura nyari gwakira omorayo yomo bwe ensemo ya kupet anyari gotebirengere via emambia lero igoro yo mugirobo gose no chikunyara gotenena at the same time tunyari korigereria engane yega sobwa gari tunyari gotegerera chinkwana chegati yabarai au banyarte wikera na bulit kolera samagacho alia a State House asokunyara ko mwendos officially oyega ore omuraibe kyama kia uyo kabero omuraibe kyama kia azimino josa isa naitwa waziri mkuu wa zamani former prime minister keranyarte ko ba endorsed officially kuchikoligi the AU chairmanship bid ase egazeti yeganto chikunyara ko ligereria mange egatia baraibu na nagotebi banyarete gwikera nangamo na Samia Suluhu chikunyara kotekera chinkwana chiae ekeraringe gokwana neranyarte gutemeyense ya Kenya na murochegali Salva Kiir nere ole the chair for the nere ole omunyakerogo East Africa nero nyarte como launch officially gunorochewa tebaga the EACC chair launched him officially as the regional president in backing Odinga. Alafu namuroche Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, of course, nanyarte koma moche sana Babu Owino. We are going to have that conversation this morning. Utaigwa negatia Babu Owino na Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ninki gekogera igwa chakerete negati ya binde vinge mambi ya lero. Igo tosuka ime yomorobiri bonyoni na mange sana nemo na sensemo ya AUC bid amo na okogira kwa balimu ba kupet emambi ya lero. Director Mtunga Kenya nere tukubwatera na nere kurwa sensemo yende ye studio asante sana asokwene kimuna chibichana malibya berega konyara kumwekera moligereria asenchera yoboekerano. Thank you so much gocha so moligereria gendete kutubwate emambi ya lero. Of course notore live Facebook tukutoka muna KCTV tubwate Instagram TikTok kama X account muna KCTV website kito nigere www.kctv.co.ke amuna YouTube tukutoka muna KCTV gosomnyoke gari DMK Media Limited nyara gwake subscription gari nyara go follow ejoto nyare gusanga ase obwamo emambi yarera somoroberio bwenyoni tosuka ngoire nande asegeka getale getambe nyara go kwanira yo amo nayanda mange.
Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi
bwate tarike gucakira kitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo
Yatiji ndigereri ngoja kutwara bwene mbongo bwana okwengera no matoni ngo nango boy tako chocho tenzi change chobegete Waisoke tomuno muntu uita yakawanji bono ngane chikwayo kuchibonika
nemene nero tigale utabia sitakora rara reno mo sinago tera matobia site bakwa ringi kurusi bachandiro mu muro bande iko ore irosire ko
Nchomete tinta bikori bina binta boni garo chinechi nkori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers na rio mete na rinkori gigunona basani abana bakondi nchikobe fixed alafu na yaga igokonte bingati ne cyborg kora town umete nchobo sioro rio bona bunta tageti tigando rikisabirio mtona aro ranya kutoreretio bo nonsense okaenda gari
natanyora basani batugorekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro gose twanyolira already ase tole togotende akortori goso kunyomunaye
oye magana yako
Ndabyange sababu enene nkinachayiru
lakini
Tato mentone.
Soka ngo chiga oile ranti ya ojimena. Ndara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha konyi. Amanje ngendo.
Nacho sema staga nacho kwa.
Otia.
Saliri.
Mbuyande.
Umpotelewa.
Nakikuwa chenchiliga.
Ngazi ndio zina kwa chenchili wakini
Nche ngoro abana busena sana.
No, kiramo kunguyo ngomange na kyota nyome irore seino. Tatso mino no muntu wate chibesara kiya sencho yokobe extravagant. Naba kungu bakamukura. Agatigo mukungu mona gachiko nyoma nyoko. Kwa kuboneka yo afata no muntu ore onananserevo.
Korrege ntunkira kare kulike. Ono okuminyo kabono wendorore.
Ago, ngoba mwete ni muri boy muri. Wani mwete, koba kampaka. Koba itanata. Imma. Oyu wala kai. Ochi. Oyu kai. Oyu wala.
Muwa kuwe. Najibesa. Ngwa kandre yak. Alganero. Na wate bi untema.
No metara ngoro. Chinza chindo gotema kora musoro rarengerera. Omanye mwangore litangani. Iga ikoro kunga mwage sare.
Bwati omugano oyo iga ayemo aseyemo Mechi Maburo.
Ota Studios. Eye Nkisi TV Amandegere Yomugusi.
From the heart of Africa, where dreams are born and passion is boundless, a new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Danny Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Eye Nkisi TV Amandegere Yomugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo cy'obosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwanchetekegima ase amagori ensemono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egati yabo a reception asokwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwonsi oraganye bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyokwegwa ase amagori ensemono. Boigomba bwate eba gose ensemo yo kwegokeria asogotegerera amatera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bare omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake nabo igomba bwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba cy'oburaro ekyo kire size au nabona kibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase kirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo cyagweriria amagori yabo korwa kiribu isano nemo weka kiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo korwa kiribu 4,500 weka kiribu isato na 500 standard quality boigo kogweria rigori ryabo korwa kiribu isato na 500 weka kiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia boigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazan Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazan Annex Hotel yoboigo ebwate a hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagira amone binyugwa arensemono boigo ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere ekyokonyora ase siringeri bweyemo yuka ekyo kyagure korwa eribweyemo na 500. Lazan Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angina Lazan Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway. Nyoko winyore obokoreri obyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi goitira sen number 0705 935 500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Wilex Wholesalers ne duka enene yokonia ebintu byeduka asamo guriense mono imyomucho Kisi. Nige duke yega egotoka asepara ya Kisi Nyamira Highway ase junction ya Nyangongo. Eduke yega nige konia ebinte binge egati yabo amasiechi chabati yechi brand au esukari, echumbi, amachere, chisabuni chechi ya ina au amabuta yokoroseri endagera, amabuta yokweyaka, chitishu, amachokonyu yechichuba nebintu binde ebinge byogotumeka nyumba.
Among none I love you. None Wilex Worzerazi. Ajabike binto biri byonsi ndigete list. Inchubaka Wilex Worzerazi ebinto ntumbete siko. Mang none bano turi kuchikurara. As long as not Wilex Worzerazi. Amaguri arinzi, mang none kasi asuri. Pass. Bono ngakire sabu wore. Wilex Worzerazi ngakire sabu immediately. Buya kabisa by the way.
Eduke yega nige okoneri ebintu byonsi pi ase amaguriense mono nabo igo nige bwate abakuri emeremo babwate umukia bwokokonya asobwango kigima.
By the way, amachero yo gabono kugora bunore gabwansirimo.
Bunore bwansiga limo.
Ayabe kora machere.
Ntobwate obosibondo bwokorwa noborega iga mbako bobwechi chabati ringo simera abana bakonyakori. Nabo igese eduke yaito. Toko okora bwango turochibona tokorere bwango.
By the way, nande ndo chegari mburambi kasi niko bekwe gari.
Kasi niko bekwe gari. Eduka ya Wilex Wholesalers Erenyankonko Junction ese pare nene ya Kisi Nyamira. Kiwa ikire igana boko nyore eduka ite nene likire Wilex Wholesalers isko gago. Karibu, it's a home away from home.
It's a home away from home. Wilex Wholesalers, it is a home away from home. I love you.
Asamange bakiresimi wetrase number 0792503252.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere.
CCTV mambia lero gendrete kubwati omorobirio bwenyoni. Thank you so much asebonsi bali banyare goswa somorobirio asokunyara gosangana nche emambi ya lero twaragenda sense mwendi studio asokunyara gwakana bills 1 to 3 kurende twanyarire kwirena ase okunyara gosanga asowa of course not live Facebook astotoka buna CCTV ntobwate Instagram TikTok amuna X account buna CCTV website yetu ni www.kctv.co.ke amona YouTube astogotoka buna CCTV. Of course karibu sana sokunyara gusangana nche chinga kichabono nyoranga otwagenda se ensemo yende ye studio abwase twagenda tugokwanira igoro yamangana yechisemi. That is what we're going to talk about this morning. Asokunyara kuligereria nga abalimu abaiga bakupeti nyoranga omo waziri wechisemi Julius Migoso Gambari tkolego nanyarte gwesokya abwasanyara tokote babuna onyarire kugwa toka 13.5 billion gochia ase chisemi omotenye ogatano na limu na gatano na kabere nigo barachikonyara kwegwa chibesa chabe misara yabo full complete na in fact watongezwa mishahara but kupet banyarire gokana nteturanyara kumwakira omo vice chair okupete Samuel Maticha na nyarite gochaga igase studio litkoria Jumatatu akanyara gototebi mugomo iko kamabori what is the bare minimum nkikeri the ideal deal eliba kunyara kwego baira na se skuru akatebanga batoire nelie medical cover ilitogo saba balimu babe promoted na banyare kwakanu chibese cyabo now ogambo tebire gochare kuri ka balimu 46000 nko bakanari chibese cyabo cya July and August what is going to happen ine ngokora baromo girobo. Let us listen to him ekera kunyara gukwana na into emambi ya lero mwanchu muligere na ina kunyara kuno birengere byago 0768 719 470 kosonyare ko ngakera esimi go cha sesimi yo studio aso kunyara gusangana inji turanyara kwa kesimi yara ko birengere bya imbere bya. Good morning. Yes, karibu sana senyoni.
Asante sana.
Okay, mokwani muligerere mutabi na kyokoroku obanyare go kwenyura kidogo nimete mbakora bete.
Ndenda kwa mwalimu sana mtacha mtachaman.
Okay, now litkuri goro na muroche omo vice na muroche mwaziri Tegwe Sofia buri kuri gora agateba nga ngotomare kibesa guciya se kisemi abwa sago chikonyara koba emesara yenu ya July and August nango cyari kuri kabari mu around 46,000 ngwati ntwakwanire tegoro ya the bare minimum eriye guchikonyara koba munyari kwira na se score. What is your opinion on the same mwakoliro mogiro
Onya mo cabinet secretary mo school ambapo mtamana gavana kama serikali yetu ya Kenya iendelee kusema na kusahau kusema na kupenda kingeyo kusema na kusahau kusema na kusema na kusema ndio mtekero mogro angiri kwa mne union ndio hapo ndio kwa chika babu chirikia yale kwa angiri mogro hiyo kama ndio kitu ya kipenzi na ni manyete na mimi na ni manyete kabisa na mimi education ni manyete na lina kwa na mwisho ndio ndio about para alone ndio about ndio kama alimu wa junior school intani kwa alone na the president young career progression guidelines ya so the alimu wa secondary school ilikuwa failment endurance na wali ziwe career progression guidelines na ngaba hata ngamba ngaba likawa alimu wa intani oguno kwa nambaka wa maruga.
Okay,
so
you are not taking the baits?
Hapana, na ya ndogo kanini na wali mbali kutoka wataja na temi na kwa ya babu union ya rules statement ndio ngora na marama nje elimu ya pale sasa ndio ya pale ndio koti ya pale.
But again, muliko genda mamintaneri chiko because ekerenari nge kurigereria no eri kurigoro TSC mbanyari tukogenda sekegambero the high court njanyari tukubasaba murate niyo mugiro mpaka petition ya TSC era nyara gotegererwa.
Koti yi that the TSC any kawa permanent and pensionable. TSC era ngabula the
okay.
Undi na pia ndio ndio pia. Kwani hayo yote ndio kuru kutoka ndio kuru ya na koti ni sisi ndio kwa majibu. Okoro ndio kwa ngana jiko. Jiko ile ya kwetu National Government Council itaranga. Ndio okoro ndio. National Executive Board ya kutoa bili rana ni karanta na serikali. Ndio ambaye ndio ndio mama ya bisi ya bako boja. Serikali yote ikirania. Wali sameke na kwa bodi za mtina ya kwa namba ya mshike serikali ya address.
Yes.
Orangerie National Government Council. Awali kile kusema ni brand change kwa ya Kenya. Pero vamos a ver cómo serikali ndio vote labda ngama hiyo ndio vamos a poder mudar en school ina ile kwa kulitan kwa formula kwa nanya serikali nanya kwa ndio nini ya yote ande hiyo ni mali kwa ndio wana wagwa kwa na bantu kama ndio hii ndio kwa ndio kwa ndio
But again, naroche some teachers bakunyara go theater gobogima, they are being threatened of Kupet nego mete maybe mwaberi mo kunyara go soki kunyara go seli bali bara sevirasi bagendrete nechisemi because some schools are still abali mumbaro bali evirasi me.
Wonje na mapelio kumanyana zikuru jingi araba bale
igomba takiriko baskuru
baba gerga bara kama ina bali mo bale wata ya ama biya tabaga bona bagale ni ko wata ni mo ngire ko mo ngire ko ndeni ndega ni mo baba evertali de wani amana ni merito na kama sababu god na manana ari agora anda como agora quero que trabalhe a ver como que está lo que está lo que no me mara mata no para anda manana le mo pero no era porque le da on va a llevar a un grito de cara to anda y yo también que cara anda pero vi tan que era nada todo con no ando poco understand ahora ve tanto van por ahora no va a venir.
Maybe ujumbe yao yo mwere gutia se abaligere libonse bali bakumetigoro yo mogiro yo gaba bali mo how long it is going to take ntimuranyare ko batebe
ayo ndanda tabiye abaligere bali bantagara bali bantagara tabonsi abali bodi ngoja garango bataya bana nanyo ba tu meta bana yukuru bamanya na ko mango la ko mo ro ko bali mu ndage merem Arayere di wanne ji zuguru rabu dia baba zuguru bare ke zuguru mpia buye ministry ebya di na ina aba ali mu bana na beji zuguru bare ji ministry na ndo ka ji agent TSC bona aze zuguru je agent wa TSC ba in charge of ya ba ali mu aze zuguru ni naenda na baba ndo zuguru na baba ndo in case abana bale baje zuguru ibri bojira kwenda manaji wote mani amanaji baza amanaji secretary amana banaji kuje zuguru amana bande bonse bale subordinate support staff abarimu vera away from school number 2 abarimu bana ko wata ndinga ngemengerero ko baba omo gotoko do we are following the law bridge ko kabisa bitali to mukatesi.
Okay.
Na ambayo mundo bwe sore sukuru oyibona iya tagata go ira ni magera again jya kwanyare we drase ko union ngai ariyo sukuru aje ko yinda bagara ka ya drase magane ito na mbaya kan let us meet in the street like in Kiti County. We are on the street of Kiti County tomorrow. Adapting ourselves with the yellow flag. So we are on the street, we picket, we demonstrate, we tell the government, we are not happy on the way of the Andrew. About Baribana Mira County, we will only meet in Tarokara. We picket, we are not happy for the secretary address the Maranari.
All right, asante sana. Oyegani garenge Samuel Maticho mo vice chair wekyombegya kupeta sorusagia ruagusi mwaigure kago kwananga neva omwaziri wechisemi mosike Ezekiel omosike Ezekiel mbaki machogundigaru moto omosike Julius Ogamba Migos sekeranyate gukwana buri koregoro neganyarete gusaba abari mu bonse kunyara gukora umugirobo with immediate effect abwasate betenga treasury gose wizara iyo bugachibwe chibesa imense ya Kenya nyarire kubwatoka chibesa chisiringi chibilioni 17 gutaisano askira nyarite gusaba abaye uri mu kwera na chiskuru babe bagwakanwa chibesa cyabo emesara ogo mutinyo gatano na kabere no mutinyo gatano gatatu July and August kolende abari mu abaiga gusabatanira bakupete batebire bado mapambano ntunotole para. Despite that, or above all, TSC neruja chita seke gambero ekanyara kobeke petition abwasa bali mu abaiga abanyare tegotebigwa banyare koira na aseti skuru bana meanwhile bate betikubarate niyo mogirobo until they sit down and talk ikigambero gasaba kupete banyare gotigo mogiro Korende bado na barabu batebiringa, no, it is not happening. Yes, hata sisi they've broken the court orders before. So ntoriko bategerera this time, not tomorrow, next any day, not any time. Igane nsemo yechisemi anene mono ekere tu amategerere Samuel Matiche gote bire bado kupetisi bado tuko mugomo. Nobody is leaving mugomo for you any day any time. Wazazi wekeni watoto nyumbani. The principal wategerere noeno kabiriko boys zero tabire ngana ki wacha kupetu wao wagome, lakini ni walimu wa Mogoma, sio wanafunzi. So tiganga abana bakoreki bairane ase ebirasime barava bereki skuru abari mu bagendreki bagendera no mugirobo etine chinkwana cyabo. So bado as it stands korengana na kupet bado wako Mgomo. 0768790470 nere namba yes studio ayebirenge rubia au mwantu muligererio KCTV mbire byebi nyara ko ngakirisimi emambi ya lero 0768790470 onyare gonte bingana ki ayebirenge rubiao mbirebi emambi ya lero ine norengerere tinga umugiro yigabwa bari mu nonyare gwaziri abantu especially it is term 3 ninki muno anyare gotebya bari mu ekere babiri bakunyara gwesokia ase okunyara go no mugirobo 0768790470 nere namba yesimi yes studio. Thank you so much asubonsi bali bagendrete kubwatia omoroberio bwenyoni emambi ya lero. Of course notore live Facebook asotoka buna KCTV tubate Instagram TikTok amona X account buna KCTV director toko genda dosto kwirina baka ase aya tegete obutko gweigoro egati yabasai kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo babeire bakunyara gwesokia askeri banyarire go sabu bakunyara gutumia emitandao yabo bujya. In fact mbanyarire go kwanira igoro ya anene monondo tegeka bakwanira igoro ya the ICT hub ejo bekire ime ya Nyamira abwasi banyarire go sabu buna basaye babe bakunyara gwesokia kunyara gusira naso bwamo kwene kibuna banyarire kunyara roboti oruwa kera basaya banyarite gwesoke na kunyara gusaba bakunyara kubwashirana aso kunyara gusirana no kunyara gusuka mutu na basaya be county Nyamira no gutume mitandao biyaso kunyara kwegendera jero mbate banga tap kwa laptop kutoka tengele pale kutoka tengele I don't know dola zinamwagika kutoka pale. So watumie vizuri mitandao yao.
Kuna ICT hubs zitakuja kwa kila ward. Tunaomba tafadhali. Kuna jengo hapa ambalo lilijengwa wakati wa 2006 na liko tayari kureceive hizo vitu zote za ICT hubs. Tunataka utuletee kompyuta kwa sababu liko tayari kutumika. Na sisi kama vijana tumeamua tukuje tutumie hizo vitu zote. Tafadhali tunaomba usitumie pesa nyingi kwenda kujenga kitu kama hiki kwingine. Naomba ulete hizo vitu zote hapa tutumie sisi kama vijana.
Hii ni resource center ya watu wote wa community ya hapa. Na ina cover area mingi. Tuko na wards kama 3 ambazo zina border hiyo Ruaki. Kwa hivyo yeyote ambaye anaweza kupata nafasi ya kuja Ruaki anakaribishwa.
We want to empower our youths
to take care of themselves properly so that they may help their life. So when you get them, they sit here to look even TVs and things which are going on, you get that their senses goes there instead of roaming about taking alcohol.
We will have a computer center here. We'll have even the Wi-Fi going forward. So it's a center that is going to benefit not only the young people, but everybody across. So we welcome everybody who has goodwill for this institution to come forward and lend us a hand so that it can be an exemplary place that will turn around the community and going forward.
Amira abo babere bakunyara gwesokya askiri banyari gusabwa abuna babe bakunyara kubwaterana nene monase chinsemo cheki mitandao bagere baka ase the AUCB dabo sabara ya bega banyarte gwesokya brit kuligoro aso kunyara kumusira umuraibiki amakiazi mio Raila Amolo Odinga tunyara gotegerega tichinkwana Chabara ya bega naganito chake na Obasanjo because na rolling the guest of honor ase omoye goyoiga buri korigoro tumenya gotegerera echia Salva Kiir Samia Suluhu alafu chinkwana che Raila Amolo Odinga abande nganchere okay Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ntotegerera nsema bwasa bwato gutaigwana mona Babu Owino anemononga oberiga kunyara gosira the opposition leader Bobi Wine kor Uganda kolenda sponiga togere bakasama gacha State House etigane chinkwana chai Obasanjo oyo berega kunyara gosira nene mono the bid ya Raila Amolo Odinga kerebanyarte kumera na ase amagacho ya State House abulitko lya igoro nyoranga nigobono bagutu kunyara ku campaign ya so kunyara kwene kibuna onyare konyora libagabene ase ensemejiga ya siasa.
Your Excellency, President William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, President Museveni, the doyen of East Africa, and the President my sister, Your Excellency, the President of Tanzania, Madam Samia Suluhu Hassan, Your Excellency, President Salva Kiir, the Chair of East African Community, and the President of South Sudan. My dear colleague, General representing the President of Burundi, and my dear colleague, General, the President of Rwanda, Prime Minister, my friend and my dear sister, Mrs. Odinga, my dear colleague, wanted to sit where there was a flag, and I said to you, you and I are now men without flag. distinguished friends of Africa, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. President Ruto, I want to thank you and salute you, because what we are doing today precedented. We've never had occasion like this, where we had a candidate, and the candidate is giving so much support at home, like you have given Raila. And not only that, not just making him a candidate of Kenya, but a candidate of East African community. From what you have said and what Raila himself have said, we need a person at this critical stage of our development in Africa, but at this situation, the present situation of the world, where we have a fractured world, a world ridden with conflict and wars. Some experts said we now have 57 wars going on in the world. A situation where war is going on in Europe, and we are suffering from hunger in Africa. A situation of insecurity, instability, unpredictability. And instead of common security and shared responsibility and shared prosperity, we are wallowing in poverty. And we cannot get out of this unless we put our house in order and we do what we have to do individually, as countries in Africa, and collectively as
Your Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Excellencies, heads of state and government here present, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, our candidature, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank Your Excellency President Ruto for the invitation and for the exceptional hospitality accorded to me and my delegation. As you may know, back in Tanzania, they fondly refer to me as Mama. So it gives me added pleasure to be at this event in support of the great statesman of Kenya, fondly referred as Baba, who is my kaka. Excellencies, when we were establishing the African Union in 2002, Africa recalled the heroic struggle waged by its people and respective countries for political independence, human dignity, and economic emancipation. This collective recollection of the sacrifices by our forefathers remains the bedrock of which rests our shared ambition of the African Union. It is heartening to see the progress made by the AU since then, including advances in implementing Agenda 2063, rolling out of the African Continental Free Trade Area to enhance intra-African trade, and our Union's achievement of G20 membership, marking a significant step in Africa's global representation. Excellencies, despite the progress made, it is incumbent upon us to ensure that the AU remains firmly united and able to meet the noble goals we have set. In doing so, a number of aspects must be addressed. Topmost is completing the institutional reforms aimed at enhancing accountability. Related to this is strengthening the Union's capacity to silence the guns on our continent. In the same vein, the AU needs to drive Africa's development agenda by ensuring realization of its infrastructure development plans and connectivity. Globally, we must ensure that our voice, Africa's voice, heard loud and clear in global conversations, from climate change to a just energy transition, from development cooperation to fair trade, and from development of international law on artificial intelligence to global governance. It is with all this in mind that the government of the United Republic of Tanzania endorses the candidature of Right Honorable I'll repeat. It is with all this in mind that the government of the United Republic of Tanzania endorses the candidature of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for the position of chairperson of the African Union Commission. Tanzania knows Odinga as Pan-Africanist leader who believes not only in the promise of African integration, but also in its practicality. He has maintained close relations with successive generations in Tanzanian leaders, as well as with many African leaders and partners who hold him in high esteem. He is well versed with the development concerns of our continent. It is based on his breadth of experience that he was charged with expediting Africa's integration through infrastructure development. Engineer Odinga knows full well what our union needs to do to meet the infrastructure development gaps critical to unlocking Africa's potentials. Personally, I know Baba Odinga, my kaka, not only as a wise statesman, but also as one who can make a strong case in advancing Africa's development priorities. As such, we firmly believe that he has what it takes to transform the vision of the Assembly into tangible outcomes for our people. Excellencies, with Right Honorable Raila Odinga, we envision an African Union that is ever strong, that is championing Africa's socio-economic development, and that ensures Africa's voice takes center stage globally. It is by attaining these aims that we will honor our people's heroic struggle for political independence, human dignity, and economic emancipation. It is on this note that the United Republic of Tanzania assures Republic of Kenya of its full support for the candidature of Right Honorable Raila Odinga for the position of African Union Commission Chairperson, and Tanzania says, Baba anatosha, achaguliwe. Asante sana. Economic development, and that ensures Africa Voice takes center stage globally. It is by attaining these aims that we will honor our people's heroic struggle for political independence, human dignity, and economic emancipation.
Sokia burit kuri igoro abwe ase banyarite gukwanira igoro barenge gukwanira igoro ya upinzani bakora wana Kalonzo Musyoka mitambo kidogo inyorange bintu bigabirosire na maoka mwanya abantu mbibwata mange kolende karibu sana so kugendera busangana nche emambi ya lero John kwamboka na lile Italiane director Mtonga Kenya na tukubwatena na nere kura sensema yende yes studio it is WCW Women Crush Wednesday musibati kunyara gochengera tumetoka hapo kwa mama Samia Suluhu kura sense ya Tanzania nere nwalenge miense ya Kenya mama alikuwa hapa nchini Kenya akapata kumuunga mkono Raila Amolo Odinga akasema kwamba ana imani kwake atapata kuwa kiongozi bora kwa uongozi wa Afrika na ana Jesus is Lord sigaenti galeke gusi Biswahili ebyatitene meri bigaika seito ikagenda nenyange kijatikale mbure ekwerende mbeka imukia ono nkora nyunda mache kiko ikomono yo anyway thank you so much kulinde ekra igagendrete asamaga chosteta uzabuli kuligoro nigo abarai aunse yeria buliria Azimio banyarite gwesoki abuli kuligoro na kunyara gukwanira igoro ya ogomo bwa Azimio bakora una Kalonzo Musyoka yoro muraibe makia Wiper niganyarite kweraria officially buna omuraibe makia Azimio askiria tebete Azimio iko imala chinkwana chenyarite gusirwa amono DPK chair Eugene Wamalwa omuraibe magia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni amona Babu Wino nyarite gwikira na asege karekyo akere baringi gukwana nigo banyarite kumuraria Kalonzo Musyoka ko babuno murayo upinzani abasate bete buna negabete mirobiri au yo kunyara kwene kibuna onyarire gose twanyarire gutwara an opposition than we ever had ever in Kenya kiri chinkwana chika barai inseri ya burdi Azimio kere baba anyarite kwerusia siasa chinse ya Kenya.
With the majority of our people who expect that this administration will be kept on its feet. In fact, they will see opposition that they have never seen before. I can tell you that. And so it will be a team.
But in Azimio, there will be no vacuum. We have several parties, constant parties of Azimio. The next ranking member of the leadership of our coalition is the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. So as we stand before the nation, it's a case of the first amongst equals.
Those who want the poor of the poorest
access education in this country without being hassled, being taken to KICC for unnecessary explanations should join us in Operation Okoa Kenya under the leadership of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Ieleweke,
as those who are remaining in opposition, that we fight for Kenyans. We will ensure that the government, that which they promised, is indeed delivered to the Mama Mboga and to the hustlers.
Se abona barayin se yeria Azimio kereba bete bakunyara gwesokia bulit kurigoro abose kereba tebetenga upinzani bado iko strong. In fact, to see an opposition that you've never seen. Kunyara kwake simigo chese omonchoreria bono namuro omwegereri bwo bwene bwa mwanyabantu na omwegereri ose activist Mr. Bernard Nyamwaro tunyako. Right, asante. Ngonga kirara seka gitare gitambe. I want us to talk about politics. Anyaragonte abi wao kwa opinion yao. Wanaangalia hii maneno ya siasa inakwendaje. Ngake manganaega agochiko nyara koba. Kulende chinga kiechechio Kalonzo Musyoka kanyari kweraria. Takugenda bakasi chinsemo chia Bungoma. Abwase egati yabasaye koruase chinseme cyo banyarte gwesokia na kunyara kumusaba omorai weke agusomo governor we county yo Lusaka abega kunyara gusira basaye kugeremero biro bagwate au nigira kunyara kubakonya bukina buna basaye ega nekere barenge guchake mero biro au organization au banyarte gutwarige karumiyo mu cyo Bungoma abwase babegete buna abasaye koruase county yo Bungoma na abwase banyarte kuireira yo kunyara gwesokia na kunyara kugendeso kunyara gukore mirobiri au no gusira na buna basaye bono yegene kereba nkumusaba omugavana obo Kenneth Lusaka abega kunyara gwesokia na kunyara kubwatu kachibesa eje kiranyare gusira abasaye.
We need something on water resource management to be part of the guidelines. How do we do that? Is it harvesting of water alone?
Bisa ningetaka kusema kwamba ni lazima sisi vijana tukue tayari. Tukue tayari kivipi? Kufanya organization kama hii ambapo kwamba leo tuna launch Bungoma Youth Organization na tunamsihi Governor Lusaka ya kwamba tafadhali shikilia hawa vijana. Bungoma Youth Organization wamejikakamua, wanajituma. Ningeomba hata gavana wote ambao kwamba tuko na representation kwa 47 county na hii ni county ya 17 kufanya commission. Kwa hivyo ningeomba ambao kupitia kwa COG ya kwamba gavana wote shikilieni vijana mikono, kwamba wapatieni nafasi kwa sababu vijana they are innovative, they are creative, they have the ability to do whatever they can be able to do. Ukiitwa itika. Tulikuwa na ile nafasi tulipoitwa ya kwamba tufanye nini, tuje na tulete sauti zetu ya kwamba tufanye representation. Kwa hivyo mimi nasisitiza ya kwamba vijana tukiitwa tunaitika na tunasonga mbele kwa sababu ile nafasi tumeikosa. Lakini pia ni shauri na niombe serikali ya kwamba vijana ni lazima waongezwe katika decision making table. It's not late. Hata hapo kwa CS tunaweza ongeza vijana pale waweze kupata kazi. Katika PS hakuna nafasi. Ndio, tupate appointments nyingi kabisa. Jana pia tumeona kumekuwa na appointment za viongozi kadhaa. Pia vijana wapo, Gen Z wapo na wako na stakabadhi mzuri, PhD wako nazo. Kwa hivyo wapatiwe nafasi ili waweze kutuwakilisha sisi wenzetu, vijana wenzetu.
Because this is the 17th county that we have gone and we have launched, and we also want to say this, that youth of this country have united themselves through Kenya Youth Organization, since no any other organization from independence that has ever united youths like Kenya Youth Organization, because all these youths are not being paid, but they came up with a strategy whereby we unite first so that we can go to our elected leaders, to other NGOs, so that we can be able to benefit as one. Because if we are not on the table, remember that if we are not on the table, we are on the menu.
Uweze pia kuangalia hiyo mambo ya youth policy ambaye so far so good imeweza kupitishwa katika county assembly ya Bungoma. So ningependa tukuomba kwamba magavana pia wote wa county zile zingine za Kenya uweze kuungana pamoja ili waweze kuinclude youth, so kwa inclusive kwa serikali.
My name is Jennifer Wairimbo Waruinge, the president.
Nabasai kurwa ase county ya Bungoma ekereva nyarte gwesokia bulit kuregoro mwategereire emerobiri yabo inzira babete bakunyara kuyarigani bene bagokire gabo batebire emerobiri babwate buri kunyara gusirana bunabasai the only support bategetene boost kidogo kurwa serikali ya county ya Bungoma abwasi bamusabire mu governor of Kenneth Lusaka nyare gweso igati aso kunyara ko basira senchere ya mogose eyende tuyo nasensemo ya siasa ndetego kwana na Mr. Bernard Nyamwari gwetirase enchera yesimi abwasenda nyari kusangireria birengere bya kidogo igoro ya the AUP na Kalonzo Musyoka konyara kwera libuna omorai OUP. Right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Reduce the grazing lands.
Good morning.
And water sources.
Yes, bwakire.
Bwakire buya.
Ama tukarachire kwaligere siasa bunere imense ya Kenya?
Siasa nyingi zetu na ndrete kwa komari kitekia sedi.
Na oyo ndenga kioroche akorokwanga Kalonzo Musyoka tebire nero guchukonyara koba upinzani na ndiko guchukonyara kwa upinzani than ever before.
Kalonzo Musyoka tanya kwa opposition.
Alijitangaza jana, he's the leader of opposition.
Bali yaro wetangaza na ini ngerero na bongo imukanye tangaza jana bona leader of opposition kisi opposition nebwate ndokoro kwa coalition partners wana bona azimio ndebwate ebyama biro ebyama byabo tikili ndebwate ebyama byabo yama Mariana kama vya Kalonzo Musyoka na ya ODM igo kitambo Kalonzo dekele unanere ore a leader of opposition vya mebiwe kabitamo egere irosie egwarikirana na nkobe katore Kalonzo Musyoka une leader of opposition ande ko banyetenga ekiama vya waipa ya Kalonzo Musyoka egego ta ekerekia karibu namba itatu gutinye ase ya Kenya ase ibirogo biribi bwata ase National Assembly Senate na Women Rep amane kwende na WMC igo ngeko ba ekiagara already ODM gere official position party in the coalition ye kwende ya Azimio.
All right. Director kagendrete go chenchigari Mr. Bernard Nyamwari is a political activist, study for a corporate official. Maybe Mr. Bernard. Raila nanyarete ko launched officially nachkunyara kolige kerogo kia AU bid. Maybe do you see any success in the future because abantu baro bado vago tebanga itakuwa ngumu kidogo Raila kunyara ko imuke kerogo ekyo.
Quiero pedirle hace pero que a AUC bueno quiero wa AUC quiero pero algo como una equipe de provincia naenda de legal representative naenda bo monto okorokwa yani role ya monto de bone account no kiroli tatago kora akorigreria idoro ya legal ya applicant kira ya Iwosa in African states na boigo amangana ya amangana yoko represent these countries interest. So entonces tabanga Raila Kabalon alia maade luo nyanza nga ngotiale koba kumina noneke kongu until the one negara nyere kereke na libura debenga obui omanyete ekene kerego abana siasa bakoritaya bagenda aende tura twara idebu na balito kuringoria siasa kama swala ya mwenye bantu tura twara representative oyo ore omonto ore ethnocrat ekitu agere to twara tekero kia AUCA nekego tekoirwa n'abantu bari taire ku siasa in fact onde tegebya abantu baminto nga Raila miaka kire akora arrested korwa siasa in country there opportunity and ase o twale ke doktor ka exit strategy korwa siasa ya local politics ya Kenya. So mention agoria korwa that is why about the Lord ingingo pekala mangana ya yone biso nit koriye gatinga ya rengeri kori nene asogo sengera akorigereria obware ekatiba ya Kenya ya tire korwa omwaka twesi bibere mu wanse na 10 mukinyonane mwaka ministry kisa emerongebe na isari na ibere atero korigereria ikuteri bwonte kengeru wasanginga neri isuko ndago dikobalon naende boigo kolonjo yo bwawe yale ge launch me I launch you yani Raila launchie Ruto una nere abantu balun etiba supporting 2027 na Ruto alenjoyonga nensebono nere ngo supporters the so all is over. There's nothing Kenya will benefit through a tikero ya AUC ya person with at Kenya.
So what in future Kimuro Cherach kunyara koba ya politics imeanza ya Kenya now that it seems everything is changing no ene serikali ntoroche upinzani kuigwana nkoro gotarikoroka na buyegati ya Rigathi Gachagua na William Ruto alafu Kalonzo kunyara kuera the opposition na behind him ni Moroche Eugene Wamalwa ni Moroche Jeremiah Kioni na Babu Owino onyare koroka na Sensemeyo. What is the future now of opposition in Kenya?
Abantu abangebe na Raila Odinga nere obega koba omoteneri naende omorokereria wa SMO ya division asenia kayo korwa tagete 1992 para kulia ekerebo kyo borais gotira bakabono abairega kubwa lakini inyasa kia itamakoni agatwara eyo kunga obonge bwa bajumbe ekagera katika kobera opposition ekipo transition ya politics cha kirabona kutoringa politics twara opposition twara singurupono based on the fact that almost Jeremiah Kioni almost Eugene Wamalwa baruete as a serikali immediately na Joshua as the opposition. So it is very hard to navigate through government to opposition. Kiagara amanyinga abirega koba as a serikali. So what's the thing is serikali iyakoranga na understand na yo think because one time was so. One of the last week 2 weeks ago tuarenge state na Eugene Wamalwa akabori guri ya Arel Kimwarel dam eyo ya tuarire omusipo bwekira akabori guri boringa agara kuarenge sitani bila senki asirete na antorarora amangana ya Arel Kimwarel ndobwate orende nande ya rekoroja iyo gusimeka kibano igararia beisamen nevire akabori bitira jekia sirete biratina kego ya account ko ekiagara kuarenge sitani so when John na abasaba with correctana koba from opposition solo until and when tora a new crop yaba abana siasa abo dare aso marengo buna Babu Owino opposition bakwatira nena bange eyera kongo tiagara orote Raila Amolo Odinga naruete abantu buna baju yonsiase ebirogo bya OCS okejo nibadi omosike oparanya omokejo abubare ase via matanzu via Azimio na abantu ba opposition. So next ba kongo kyagera abana bo abere bakorakana koba ebirogo byo gopinga serikali nene swada ya serikali ya kusobenda bobo. So we have a challenge until and when we will have a new crop of politicians that are aligned to government abantu buna babo biyo mtaka if they make a step no correct job abantu buna babo omoke yonka abo treat serikali positively. Now when they make that step go ile serikali liberality need because the provision need a specific item just for vibrant, very objective and truthful. Jagara Jioni Barabo, Monduna Jeremiah Jioni, who has been in government, Monduna Babalo Eugene, who has been in government, now Kumusana was for the Badana, including Alonso Matioka, who has been in government, he is a career government officer in terms of political appointment.
All right, asante sana. Nimbeto murigerio nyari gutegerera ebirengerero bya of course ntunyari gutwara ingambe gasamange tuchitubange interview musuka egere tuchege tunyari gusansa moringane gasubikira numbiye muno.
Thank you very much.
Aya, asante sana. Uyu Bernard Nyamwaro is a political analyst, gusa activist me ya gusi. Uyu berega kunyara kubwati sana mungana siasa na kunyara kwena nebirengero bya egatiari agenda tokorekana imenesko yorongo rwa gusi kimwategereire nero nyare kwena nebirengero bya igoro ya ogochika kwa Raila gochi AUC ngana chanya already bagere abantu babwate chitangu bagoteba ku 1992 tumesupport mzee alisimama akasimama. Maybe this is the last shot to giving up, but yeye alisema I believe I'm the lion of Africa. Asante sana. And Kalonzo Musyoka Onyadire Koraribuna is going to be the official leader of opposition. I don't know what is going to happen. Yakugera abantu bata unasikiza Tanyamwara utegira Kalonzo can't be opposition, but Kalonzo alisema you're going to have an opposition that you've never seen before, you've never had before. Echinichinkwa na chiaekere anyarite kwa na abulit ko rego to so chimotu to kwandre go yogo nchiri kweli rego so nchiri gwechinga ki climate change. I was the new minister for environment Aden Duale abrit ko romba gwatege karo ime ya Nairobi agwasbaringe gukwane rego ya climate change conference yenyarte gokoreka na gwasba kunyara kurigereria amero birikirwa baranyare ko beka ime ya Africa okunyara kubwatira naso kunyara kwene kibuna orogongo rwa Africa rwabere kunyara gutwara anemono gusuka motu in terms of food and security okunyara gusimeke mite saina so kunyara gutanga ogoncherera kwerire nechinga kechigani chinkwa na chiae ene gatebara au banyatwikira nasege kare kia climate change conference ime yemochie o Nairobi.
Climate induced droughts have drastically reduced the grazing lands and water sources, leading to significant livestock loss. This not only threatens their livelihood, but also impacts on their food security, as mainly local diets depend heavily on the animal products.
There is something that is fundamentally wrong with the prevailing economic model most African countries are trapped in. Extractive economics irremediably lead to extractive institutions that perpetuate dependency, governance, deficits, and exclusion. Exacerbated by the existential climate change emergency, we are facing together. These challenges play out as powerful ingredients.
Kerege kare kikiarenge okorekana ababunge egati ababunge meyense ya Kenya ande muno bari barase ensemu ya environment nigo banyarite gutwara egekana buri koregoro abwase barenge gukwanira egati yemero biri au wanyarire kubeka yo kunyara kweme kibuna climate change mitigation yabege kunyara kwene kigwa egati aba MP banyarite gwikirana gusaba bunge banyarite gwikirana asege kare kinga mono mubunge okitutu masaba Clive Ombanigi Sairo yunero bwato ko ganibuna kibabwate ganga yo kunyara gustira agenda yo murayibwense yakanyumoske William Ruto yo kunyara gusimeka emetange 50 million gwikira mwaka o 2032 nigera kunyara gwikirana no kunyara gutanga climate change tugonjere kwetsinga ki gonyara kore gutangwa sikanya tukosabuna babe bakunyara komento bitoki ari mono aseke ganche kyo kigwagende tukobeke merobiri au yo kunyara kubwaterana no mwana incho kawaida so kunyara gusegeta ogonchereria gwetchingaki.
Forestation which we are talking about, we are concentrating in schools, but if you ask me, there is Karura Forest. I think we can take children there. People to adapt the forests they also have in their areas and continue building those forests.
Sticking to tree planting, which was always a hassle for some of us who come from areas that have enough trees or excess trees. We don't know where to take them. But every financial year I was being forced to quote where we plant trees which are eaten by cows in the school. The guidelines now at least bring in other areas that we can look into, like the biogas. I'm still not sure why if I drill a borehole, there's a tag down there that borehole, I want us to commit that it is used, the water is used to, the site is located near a tree nursery. Because it looks like that's a requirement. Does it mean every borehole, the basic requirement for it to be drilled is a tree nursery?
In schools, most of them use wood, and that means cutting down numerous trees in the localities where they are. About 10 years ago, when I was member of parliament, my constituency made a proposal to the board to have what I think was the first of its kind, biodigester in a gas body secondary school. I think at that time, the board had never had anything like that. So it would have been difficult getting the board to approve that project. But finally, when it was approved in that girls' school, it was happening so well that I would recommend chairman of the committee that at some stage the committee visits and see how that works. Because if it can be replicated in other boarding schools in the country, it will cut down the issue of trees being cut down for wood there.
Before we sent proposals, there was one time I included in my proposal to plant trees in a hospital, and it was declined. And they said that we only focus for within the schools, so maybe they should be able to allow for us. But I think the array, especially for me, solar and biogas, and gas, I don't know, there's biogas and then there is gas. I don't know whether gas is included. Because now there is piped gas. In one of my schools, we have done the bulk LPG, which I think should be covered under this as well. Or maybe we can cover it under normal programming. Because our typical schools, parents cut trees to take to schools, which is against what we are campaigning for.
To green the place can never be greened only from the school or greened from some public land, unless you are talking about forest reserves which are there, but how many forest areas do we have in this country? So we need to mitigate this through also issuance of seedlings to the public through the chiefs or the Ngao group during the time of planting. Because unless we are going to support the farmers, then we shall only be talking about trees in schools, trees in public places.
I think that recommendation of how do we handle the arid and semi-arid region of this country. If we are to look at the 15 billion, the way it's been designed, we are looking at huge opportunities of almost 50%. We deliver through restoring the arid and semi-arid counties of this region. And I believe we would have to have a sit down and see how do we accommodate, for instance, investment that can allow natural regeneration through either harvesting, water harvesting interventions, possibly never allows that, and other ways that can be able to regenerate our arid and semi-arid regions. But in a nutshell, Chair, the ministry, together with its agencies, are ready and willing to work with you. I think we want also to record our huge appreciation of this committee together with the NCDF fund, because it's basically coming in to support the ministry and the government generally in achieving its restoration agenda.
On scope, budget and timelines, providing strategic directions and resolving issues that may arise when we're implementing the project. They will also do resource mobilization for the project. Under the bill phase, this is where the third committee comes in, that is the project implementation committee. So, and this is the committee that will be doing a lot of heavy works or heavy lifting, where the committee will be responsible for overseeing the project construction, and the committee will be appointed by the principal secretary from the State Department of ICT and Digital Economy, and it will also have representation from different stakeholders, key among them being ICT Authority, Communications Authority, Postal Corporation, KONZA, State Department of Defense, State Department for Public Works, National Treasury, Council of Governance, NGCDF Board, NGCDF Committee, Ministry of Labour and Social Protection, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and other key stakeholders that we may identify as roll down the project. So, this team will have a number of responsibilities. One will be they will participate in the construction. That is inspecting the
abunge kere banyarutse gutwara ibikaro cyabo aburitse kuri igoro bawukwanira igoro ya climate change mitigation nchira baraganisa mo funding kunyara kwene kibuna babere bakunyara gusira umuroberyo oyubene nakenga mbuya mono gwikiraga aburitse kuri ya rero no gutukunyara kuri ingeregesero cyane kyumuroberyo bwenyoni of course na mange sana twanyari gukwanira na yanda manga iturach kunyara gukwanira kilinso no digitanyari tikoba na intu mambia rero kurinde tokorenginga gochema tukabosyo na kunyara kogendera gusangana intu asomoroberyo bwenyoni. Thank you so much asa kunyara kuyancho moroberyo bwenyoni na kunyara kuyobwati akira chingaki kurutwa chagite 12 chamambia wekera boni gashtaike stigari staika kaigo enyare kuraga chinsa okay chinsa isato chamambia so kunyara gokoda tumeti gose director na standby ndo chegari chinse mochia State House omoyega noro orenge gari live sijui kama imeisha. Let me follow up on the same kwende onye bado moyego yuko gendrete ndo chikunyara gusanga asubu ama sense moyende yakabere kwenda siboniga nje John Kwamboka no gukoreraga abu. Thank you so much aso kunyara gusanga na incha state kulia rero ya Jumatano ankyo nkande. It is a throwback Thursday of course ndo chikunyara gutwara mange itura chikunyara gukwandira na kunyara gusanga ritko ryankyo